So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to factory reset your computer. So for that you will need to open your Windows settings app, and to do that there are two ways. The first one is to search for that, right here settings, and open it by clicking on that button. Now there is another option through which you can open your Windows settings app, and that is a shortcut which is Windows key plus I button. And just like that, now you guys have get on your Windows settings app. So now you have to select the systems app, which is automatically selected when you open your settings app, and after that scroll down until you guys see this option right here called recovery for resetting, advanced startup, or go back. Now after that you guys can see this reset this PC option right here, and after selecting this reset PC button you guys can successfully format your whole computer, and just like that you guys can successfully factory reset your whole computer. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.